Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix couldn't load high resolution image on Messenger. Basically, due to privacy reasons, I'm not going to be opening up my private messages, but to fix this it's going to be relatively simple. Just head over to your device setting, and from here you want to make sure that you are connected to a secure, strong connection. Now, you want to navigate through your Wi-Fi and you want to choose the best Wi-Fi in your area, making sure that we are able to connect to the servers of messengers properly. From there, you can also try using your mobile data. So you want to turn off Wi-Fi, click on mobile data, and from there, this could provide you with better results because sometimes it will get us 4G plus or 5G. Now, the last thing that you want to do is to simply reset your messenger. Now, this will help us remove unnecessary bugs and glitches installed within the application. So, you want to look for the messenger application on your device, hold click on it, and then you want to click on the notification icon or the gear icon, will take us to the settings of Facebook. Now inside, you can just scroll down, look for the storage option, and from here, you want to click on the clear data and clear cache at the bottom of your screen. From there, this will then help us fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.